Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Destiny, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos from myself. Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited for this video. I have reached 1 year of being braidlocked, locked, whatever you want to call it. I completed a year and I'm so happy. I'm actually a little bit over, I would say nearly a month over my 1 year lock anniversary. If you don't know me already, I am not as consistent as unfortunately I should be. And yeah, it took me nearly a month to get this video filmed, but it's filmed, it got there. So yeah, I am literally a year and technically almost a month locked. My lock date that I started, if for those that don't know, was December 1st of 2021, and we have hit December 1st of 2022, and man, has it been a roller coaster. A little bit of a background or just like a little summary of how this year went. If you haven't watched my previous videos, for sure watch those, like my 5 months update, or I think I did like a 7 to like 8 month or something like that. But just a little overview. I had braid locks. I started my locks with braids, so these are braids right over here. And it has been quite a journey. I've had times where I absolutely loved my hair, and then I had times where I wouldn't say I hated it, but it definitely was a challenge to keep them in, because I did deal with a lot of frizzing, and I'm a kind of person, the type of person that like absolutely hate frizz, but yet my hair is like super frizzy. But when I was a loose natural, if it was frizzy, you know, I would just slick it up in a bun, or like I can like, you know, put braids or whatever. So I didn't really have to deal with frizz while I was a loose natural, unless my hair was like out and curly. But with my braid locks, like man, that stage, the frizzy stage, that I'm still experiencing it, but like in the beginning was like, it was hectic, and it did have a toll on me. Like I did a few times want to take out my hair, but you know what, I stuck through it. I'm like, you know what, it's a process, I have to be patient. And I actually did like a lot of research, and it's just a stage that you have to go through. I know some people's hair do lock up faster than others, and you know, some people experience less frizz. It depends on your hair texture and everything, but for the most part, I've seen a lot of people do have a lot of frizz. So I'm like, you know what, I'm not alone. I just have to be patient, and yeah, here I am today. But yeah, that was like one of my biggest struggles, was the frizz. But aside from that, I love the journey. Like I love being able to just wake up, spritz my hair and go. I do not miss having to put a gazillion one products in my hair just to tame it. Like literally I just use water, oil, and like shampoo and conditioner. I put nothing else in my hair, maybe leave-in conditioner here and there, but like nothing else. And that to me is just so freeing in a way, because like before, when I was a loose natural, I had to put like gel, I had to put this, I had to put that, I had to always constantly slick up my hair, or like if it was curly, I had to put like mousse, I had to put this, that, and the other. And obviously those products aren't cheap, and it adds up. So it was just so much buildup in my hair, so much gunk, and I felt myself like obsessing over my hair when I was a loose natural, just so I can always make it look, you know, neat and tidy and whatnot. And that can be a little bit draining, to be honest. But like since having my braid locks, like I just feel more free. I love the fact that I can just, you know, rock my hair in its natural state. And like this, the process itself is like very inspiring, because it's like I'm letting my hair just go with the flow, and it's just like the fact that it's just, you know, knotting up on its own. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. I feel like this is getting a little bit too deep, but it's just a freeing feeling and experience, just knowing that I'm rocking my hair in its most natural state with like no products, or at least like minimal products, is just such an amazing experience. But yeah, like I love the journey, and I can't wait for it to be down to my ankles. I don't know if I'm gonna grow it out that long, but I really can't wait for it to, like, you know, hang longer. So here's, I don't know if this is like a con, but I know locks takes a long time. Like it takes quite a, you know, a few months to years to fully lock. So like the front of my hair, like as you can see, like this, it's like still, you can still see the pattern. It's still very much like, if I want to, I can like pick it out. Although I can do it for the rest of my hair, but like the front is more like, I guess, loose in a way. It's more easier to take out. The back of my hair is like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the back of my hair is practically locked. It's pretty much locked. The pattern is non-existent, or like very, very, very faded, but the front of my hair still has not fully locked, and I'm like, why? But the front of my hair texture is looser than the back, so I get it. But yeah, you can still see the front of my hair, like the pattern is still there. What else? Oh, another thing that takes a lot of patience is the fact that like my hair shrunk tremendously. And I get it, like your hair has to shrivel up and shrink in order for it to lock, but like when I tell you, like my hair shrunk from like the last time I took out my hair, I had my from the last time I took out my locks, like, you know, I did like a picture, and my hair was like down to my boob, like all the way down to my boob, so it was really long. And it went from like all the way like down here to up here, and that kind of had not a toll, but I'm like, where is my length? Where is my length? So do expect that, like your hair is gonna shrink. And even now, like, so the only time it actually hangs is if like I just freshly washed my hair, or if I spritz it with water. Other than that, like it actually, like it's pretty short. But like if I stretch it, as you can see, like stretched, this is how long it is, but then like on its own, it's like this. So I can't wait for it to like at least reach, you know, shoulder length, or a little bit longer than maybe armpit length. I can't wait for that stage, for it to just drop and hang. Also, I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like out. So let me just take it out of this half up, half down. So this is my hair actually after I freshly washed it. I added only oil to it, so this is what it looks like freshly washed, and it's actually pretty dry right now. It's mostly dry. So this is what my hair is looking like at 1 year. I'll do like a little close-up. I also forgot to mention, since having my hair braid locked, I combined and uncombined quite a few times. I don't know my lock count, but I definitely will do a video on that to let you guys know, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I have actually combined and uncombined quite a few times, so I am excited to actually see how much locks I actually have. But other than that, like I can't really think of anything else to say about my hair other than I love it. If you're thinking about locking your hair, do it. If you're thinking about doing braid locks, do it. I guess depending on your hair type, or like, you know, how patient you are and whatnot, because braid locks do tend to take longer than like, you know, traditional twist locks or like coil locks. It does take longer, but yeah, it just really depends, and you can use my journey as a reference. I'm sorry, you can hear my kids. They're loud. I tell them all the time to be quiet, and they ignore me. But yeah, I can't really think of anything else to say about my hair other than like the journey has been great. I can't wait for my 2-year, 3-year, 4-year, 5-year. I can't wait. It's very a humbling process and experience. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if you have any comments down below, and I will try my best to or not comments, but like any video suggestions, and I will try my best to do them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.